Hello, my name is Edwin Peng,
My name is Daniel.
My name is Jeffrey Liu.
and today we will be presenting to you our inquiry question. Why wasn't the South as technologically advanced as the North?
Now we're going to talk about the guns, alright? So the repeater could fire up to 20 to 30 rounds a minute, while the Confederate guns can only fire one round per 15 minutes. They couldn't manufacture the repeater because they lacked the instructions and they didn't have enough copper to make the ammunition.
Hello, now we're going to talk about railroads and train tracks, which are railroads. The North had distinct advantage in this category because they had superior infrastructure, better equipment, and their own locomotive factory. The North had 20,000 miles of track, whereas the South only had 9,000 miles, so the North had more than 70% of the nation's rail line. The trains allowed generals to move their soldiers, supplies, and armaments to where they were most needed. As a result, rail centers and railroad infrastructure soon became targets for attack. Although the South was the first people to use trains to their advantage, they had a weak rail system. This was because when the war started, most of the South's railroad workers and other iron workers left to fight for the North, leaving railroads and other metal-related structures unrepaired and unoperational.
Okay, so now we're about to tell about the telegraphs. The telegraphs, there were a total of 15,000 miles telegraph cables laid throughout the North. The telegrams helped Union message each other in a short amount of time. During the war, generals used wagons as a mobile telegraph carrier. The reason the Confederates did not construct the telegraphs was because they did not see the importance of invention. USNTC, known as the U.S. Military Telegraph Corps, trained 1,200 operators, strung 4,000 miles of telegraph wire, and sent more than a million messages to and from the battlefield.
Another reason why South couldn't advance in technology as fast as the Union was because that the Union surrounded their major ports, which blocked them from trading with other countries and importing war materials. So even though the Union blockaded their ports, the South did try to destroy the blockade. They had their own navies, but on March 9th, 1862, the U.S. navies defeated the Confederate navies. They also tried using naval mines and torpedoes to destroy the blockade. They did take down 40 Union ships, but it didn't destroy the blockade.
So, in conclusion, due to their shortage of materials and refusal to invest into the inventions that the North had created, the South was unable to advance in technology.